You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this brand for tools correctly. If you want to learn more confusing brand names and more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. I believe it is from Japan originally. The Japanese pronunciation is Makita. This is why the English pronunciation is as Makita from Japanese, Makita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.